Establishing a strong email marketing setup is essential for any business looking to grow through digital communication. For beginners, email marketing can feel overwhelming, but with the right foundation and a clear checklist, it becomes a powerful and manageable growth channel. Email marketing remains one of the most effective tools in 2026. It consistently delivers higher ROI than social media, offers direct access to your audience, and allows for personalized communication at scale. When done right, it helps build trust, engagement, and long-term customer relationships. A successful email marketing setup starts with choosing the right email service provider. Beginners should focus on platforms that are easy to use, scalable, and offer automation, analytics, and integrations. This choice becomes the backbone of your entire strategy. Next comes legal compliance. Understanding regulations like CAN-SPAM, GDPR, and CCPA is critical. Always use transparent opt-in processes, provide clear unsubscribe options, and protect subscriber data to build trust and avoid penalties. Building your first email list should be done ethically. Use high-converting sign-up forms and valuable lead magnets to attract the right audience. Once subscribers join, basic segmentation helps you send more relevant and engaging messages. Behind the scenes, proper email infrastructure matters. Domain authentication, deliverability best practices, and spam monitoring ensure your emails reach inboxes instead of spam folders. From there, focus on creating essential email templates like welcome emails, newsletters, promotional campaigns, and transactional emails. Pair this with compelling copy, strong calls to action, mobile-friendly design, and automation workflows that save time and boost engagement. Finally, test everything. Track key metrics, run A/B tests, and continuously optimize your strategy as your list grows. Email marketing success starts with a solid foundation. If you want to simplify your setup and grow faster, visit Mailerrocket.com and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more growth-focused insights.